Hi everyone, this is Kishwar Rayat. Today I was watching a video regarding gravity and speed of light, and I was wondering what if we can cross the speed of light with the help of gravity, right? So we are in this theory of mine. I don't know how this is gonna work, but in this thing, what I thought with the formula of V equal to U plus at, easy formula. There is no initial velocity, there is only acceleration time and velocity, right? So can we reach the velocity of light? That's the question, right? So with the acceleration due to gravity of the planet Earth, sorry for that, anyway. So this is the speed of light, right? I just made it come here anyway. So this is the speed of light, and what if we divide it by 9.8? So this is the acceleration, this is the velocity of light, this is the acceleration, we are getting the time, right? So it's a big amount of time in seconds, so we divided it by 3600, which converts it into hour. So it is like 8497 hours of complete free falling from with the acceleration due to gravity of the planet Earth. And if we divide by 24, so we get the day, sorry, 24 actually. So the free falling of 354 days from with the gravity of Earth, we can reach the speed of light, right? So it is taking 354 days of Earth, Earth's gravity, Earth acceleration. What if there are greater gravity in in the universe, right? So we consider the gravity of sun. What comes? Let's check it out anyway. So this is anyway. I'm gonna put the number 299,458. Yep. So the gravity of sun is, I'm gonna say it. I know it. It's 275, right? This is the gravity of sun. So divided by 275. So we get the time. So it's like a big number in seconds. So if we divide by again 360000, so we get the time in hour. So it's only 302 hours, right? Just imagine, bro. Only 302 hours of complete free falling from sun. We get the velocity of get the velocity of light. So is it possible getting the speed of light? I don't know, bro. To be exact, cause there are a lot of things affecting it, resistance, and especially theory of relativity, and then I saw in many videos they don't like. Anyway, so with this thing, with the gravity and with the acceleration of sun within 302 hours, if we divide by again 24, so it comes like 12 days, 12 and a half days. So within 12 days of free falling from the sun, we can not we, I mean an object can reach the speed of light, right? This is pure like formula thing. I don't probably this never gonna work in like real though, but this is a formula. Anyway, so there are even greater gravity. The sun, considered considering the sun with other like black hole or other bigger stars, the the gravity of sun must be way lower. For example, there are like bigger black holes which have like tens of billions of like greater mass than the sun. That means the gravity is way more than the sun. So with them, probably a few minutes of free falling, we can reach the speed of light. Even what if the greatest mass of the universe, or even the black hole in the Milky Way galaxy, if we put any object, okay, let me check what is the gravity of that. I don't know, either the gravity has been like measured. I don't know. Probably not. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So This is the question. With this formula, v equal to u plus at, we can get in quite a bit of short time, I guess. 302 hours is not a quite a big amount of time considering. Anyway, bye. This is a short video.